You've probably heard of payday loans, but might be curious to learn more about them and how they work. So what exactly is a payday loan? Let's take a look. Payday loans, also known as payday cash advances, are unsecured, short-term loans you can use for emergencies between paychecks. What makes them so easy to obtain is that no credit check is required, and in most cases, you can borrow up to $500 the very same day you apply. What can you use payday loans for? Generally, they're to help you take care of emergency expenses that can't wait until your next paycheck, such as urgent home or car repairs, trips to the hospital, or bills you can't afford to pay late. If it's urgent and you need the money now, payday loans are here to help. You can qualify in as little as 30 minutes and have the financial assistance you need the very same day or next business day. The only documents you need to apply are a photo ID, your most recent bank statement and pay stub, and a blank check tied to your bank account. That's it. No credit checks or collateral required. Payday loans are easy and simple to get. When you find yourself in an emergency and need cash fast, payday loans have got you covered. Get the assistance you need right now by starting the process today. Be sure to like and share our videos, leave a comment, and click the subscribe button for more helpful videos coming soon.